Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks and preview for campaign 5 of 2020. And this campaign, we are debuting our new Green Goddess facial oil. And this is a great alternative for anybody who is looking for more natural products. This is actually 99% natural. It's all natural ingredients except the one little bit that we need in preservatives to make sure it stays good the whole time that it takes you to use the product, which will be a while because a little goes a really long way. It's a dry oil, so it absorbs very, very quickly. It's a vegan product, and it's all of the ingredients are very sustainably sourced, including the key ingredient, which is 100 milligram CBD oil, which this is CBD oil just for designed for skincare. So it's not anything therapeutic or medicinal. And it's strictly from the hemp plant that, we've sustainably grown, and we use the entire plant to get the CBD oil and the hemp seed oil from it. But it is just hemp, no marijuana. So there's no THC, no mood altering, mind altering, not going to affect any drug tests or anything like that. Nothing, no THC in it at all. So just really good soothing ingredients for the skin. So it only has like 9 ingredients in it, all natural. 99% natural except that one little bit of preservative. Very good for very dry skin. If you have fatigued skin, irritated skin, it's actually the only thing we have that's specifically designed to reduce redness. And it even works on oily skin. It helps to balance out the sebum production in the skin to help have less oily skin. So even though it's a facial oil. So I did do a 60-second spotlight on this. It's got more details on like how you would use it and what the ingredients in that are. So look for that if you'd like to get some more information on that. And we also have 2 new body creams with the CBD oil in them as well. Same thing. It's the CBD oil strictly from the hemp plant. No THC, no high from these. And I actually just got them. We had a little bit of a delay in getting these into our warehouse, so I just got them. So this is actually my first impression of these. So first we have the Nourishing Body Cream. And let me go ahead and see. We've got the Nourishing Body Cream is soothe skin. It's absorbed quickly, leaving skin feeling soft and nourished, and has a light jasmine scent. Has a nice little inner seal with the nice little tab. I love that. Nice little packaging improvement there. The little tab makes it much easier to pull that inner seal off. Oh, it does have a very light scent. It actually kind of reminds me a little bit of our Soft and Sensual in the Skin So Soft line. So a very light floral. Yeah, very light floral, kind of a little bit sweet, not a fruity sweet. And it's a pretty lightweight cream. It's not super thick. Make sure I leave room to try the other cream. Ooh, feels really nice. It's got kind of a cooling feel to it when it goes on. So that's the CBD. That's the Nourishing Body Cream. Then we have the Soothing and Nourishing Cream, which is actually a concentrate. So it comes in a pump. Let's see, in this one, soothes, restores, and transforms distressed skin to help it look smoother and healthier. And this one has a geranium scent. So I'll put this one on the back of my hand here. Got a good sized pump there. That's an even lighter scent. Like I don't even smell it as much as I do with the jasmine. Oh, and by the way, the Green Goddess doesn't really have much of a smell to it. If anything at all, I think it smells like green tea. So yeah, very, very light scent for that, because I know fragrance, especially in facial creams, is a big consideration for some folks. This is actually really thick. I probably should not have put it on the back of my hand because I do not have enough room, because that was probably enough, for like both arms or a whole leg. Very rich feeling, very moisturizing feel to it. So we'll spread some of that down here and put some on my other hand. And luckily, because it does have a nice smell, I can just kind of leave that on my hands, and because I don't really like anything with a lot of smell on my hands usually, because I talk with my hands. So yeah, nice light scent. That's a little more, the geranium scent is a little more herbal than the jasmine, a little less flowery. So yeah, I kind of like that too. So that's the they're from Veilment, the same as our body scrub cleansers. So that's our CBD Nourishing Body Cream and our Soothing and Nourishing Body Cream, which is a concentrate. So very little goes a very long way when you've got the concentrate. Let's see, our highlight product for this campaign. I said I would look at one of our existing lip products, and I just dropped it. I'll get that back there. And that is our lip glow. This has actually been around for a couple of years, and thought it would be a good time to kind of take a look at this again, just because we've had so many new lip products that folks might have forgot that we had this. And our lip glow is our full color lip gloss. So I have on today Splendor in the lip glow, and it's a very full color, so you get that whole color payoff, but it's very lightweight, and you've got that nice glow to it, that nice shine to it. And so that is our lip glow. That's kind of the partner to our Mattitude. You can have the Mattitude Liquid Lip for your matte look that's nice and lightweight, and then the glow. And it's not sticky. Like, it doesn't have a sticky feel to it like a lot of traditional kind of lip glosses. So that is the lip glow. And then I have a couple of new jewelry pieces. We have a lot of pearl and pearlesque pieces this time around. So we have this collection, our Pearly Statement collection. There's earrings, bracelet, and a long necklace. And these ones are, with hammered gold tone accents. And it's like a pearly detail. So I like this one. This is the earrings. And you've got that gold tone hammered metal with a little pearl there, and then the nice kind of chunky pearl that lays down. And these are definitely a statement earring. They've got a good size to them. Then we have the Freshwater Pearl collection. And this collection has what are called Baroque-style pearls, and they're in a gold tone setting. So these ones are the actual pearls, not the like pearl-like stone. And we have the Strand necklace, because every pearl collection needs a nice basic strand. And I'll try to show in the like the Baroque style. These are not like perfectly round, which really, if they're perfectly round, they're probably not real pearls, or they're incredibly expensive. These are a little more oval-like, but still a really beautiful look to them. I kind of like how some of them even have like a little banding around the middle, and it gives it just a little bit more play with the light. And then to go with that, we have the drop earrings, and these ones are Freshwater Pearl, and they're also set in a gold tone setting, and they've got that same kind of more elongated shape to the pearl. So nice, fun, kind of updated pearl look, really, really classy, but still pretty modern. So that's the Pearly Statement collection and the Freshwater Pearl collection there. This campaign's A box is the Naturally Radiant A box, same box that we had last campaign, because of course our A boxes go for 2 campaigns now. And this is the great deal you can get for only $10 with any $40 purchase from this brochure. So you have the trial size of the Love at First Flash mascara and the Neutralize serum, and then your full size of the True Color lipstick in Roasted Chestnut, which is a great color, great neutral color. And then the brow definer from the Glimmer Sticks in Brunette. So great little collection there. In our separate little sale flyer this campaign, the sale that I wanted to highlight, speaking of our Mattitude Liquid Lip, is a great little duo two-piece set for only $7.99. You get your choice of color in the Mattitude Liquid Lip color and a Dew Kiss lip balm, this is my favorite lip balm. It's got a great feel to it. It's not a waxy lip balm, just feels really nice on the lips, and it's great at relieving chapped lips and keeping them moisturized. And it's a great complement to the Mattitude because, of course, the Mattitude is moisturizing, but at the same time, it's also very long wearing, so you don't have to reapply as often. And when it dries, it is drier, even though it's very moisturizing and your lips don't get dry as fast. It's still, you're going to go even longer. You put a little bit of lip dew on and let that set before you put the Mattitude on. So that's a great combination, a great deal, and only for $7.99. It's almost like getting the Dew Kiss for free. So we also have this campaign. We have, of course, we no longer have a separate outlet brochure every campaign, but we do still have some clearance items. So they're going to start doing a clearance flyer quarterly. So we have our first good buys. And that's sort of these are good buys, they're good sales, but they're also good buys as in items that are discontinued. So there is a lot of fun stuff from few things left over from Christmas, not a whole lot. A lot of our limited edition Christmas items sold out pretty quick. Lots of clothes and jewelry and that in there. So be sure to check on the online store for the good buys flyer. And then your preview for campaign 7. And I had a hard time picking this time. It was really hard deciding. There's some great things coming in campaign 7. But I decided the thing I am most excited about in campaign 7 is we're adding a couple pieces to the Dr. Bellmer skincare line. And one of them is these clarifying spot healing patches. So these are great for when you've got a particularly irritated patch of skin or when you have a blemish. Especially good for healing little acne blemishes. Has tea tree leaf oil to help promote skin clarity, and it's a clear plaster band, so it soothes and protects skin at the same time. Which I'm really looking forward for that occasional blemish that you get, because I've actually used tea tree oil for years for things like when I get a spider bite, I'm allergic. Those tend to swell up really fast. I can put some tea tree oil on it. That heals up the spider bite really fast. So I've been using it to soothe those sorts of things for years. So I had never actually thought about using it for blemishes. So I'm really looking forward to those patches because those seem like those are going to be a great little tool for that. So that is it. That's all I have for you for campaign 5 of 2020. Hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.